All right, got some new parts in. Civic EF. Here we go. This just came in the mail from SuperTech. I am going to do an unboxing, so I'll open it up and show you guys what the goodies are. I'm sure you already know just because it says SuperTech, but we will find out for sure. First, I'm going to pull out my knife. Let's chop this box up. That ought to do it. I ordered these Monday, I believe it was. Did 2-day shipping on it because I can't wait. Faster I get the part in, faster I can get this Civic dyno, and I'm sure all y'all are waiting to see the numbers that it puts out. Cool little blue box. I like that blue and black. It actually matches the hatch, blue and black, so that's pretty cool. It's like it was made for my car. The guy definitely hooked it up. So I got these a little bit cheaper than I guess what the average person would pay. And these are H100DR. So these are drag springs, dual springs. I don't know if you guys know, but in the hatch currently I'm running Blox Racing dual valve springs with titanium retainers and flat face valves for high compression. I got to do away with those block springs because they're just not strong enough for those Skunk 2 Pro Series cams that I'm running. So I had to order these, and I'm just going to swap these babies out with the old ones, and she's good to go.